Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing evening. I am super excited because I finally received my Ipsy Galentine limited edition set. So before we dive in here, first let me say welcome. If you are new, my name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here. We do anything from beauty, lifestyle, fashion, home decor, accessories, and everything in between. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Guys, don't forget we have a couple active giveaways going on. We have two. They do both end on February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They are both going to be linked down below. We have the Jeffree Star mystery box from the Valentine's mystery box and the Hank and Henry mystery box giveaway. So, like I said, the links are down below in the description, so check them out if you have not already. But yes, like I said, I purchased the Ipsy Galentine's Day limited edition set. So here we have it, and we're gonna get in here and we're gonna take a look at everything that we got. I believe this was about $16. So let's open her up and take a look. So they are repurposing their old Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes. But this is what I see when I open it. So there's our goodies. There's no card, but I obviously knew when I purchased, it kind of showed what we would be getting. So, yeah. All right, so the first thing here, Gumi Couture 2-in-1 headband and scrunchie. That's interesting. I've said in quite a few videos, scrunchies are making a comeback. They are making a comeback big time. So it looks like we have like a tan color and a like baby pink. How in the world do I open this? What is this contraption? Whoa, okay. Just rip it. All right, so here's what we got. So we got, like I said, like a tan and like kind of a baby pink. What are they talking about? I guess because it stretches so big. That's what they're saying, I guess. I don't know. I feel like that might, and then it's like it shrinks back up. Okay. Love scrunchies. I definitely think I'll get more use out of the scrunchies when like it's summer and hot and I want to pull my hair back. So I now have two new scrunchies. And then we have, this is like a little deluxe size of the Hemp's. This is the original scent of the body of their lotion. I love Hemp's lotion and I love this original scent. Gina from Gina in a Bottle actually sent me the full size of this for one of my Christmas presents and I love it. I had the sweet pineapple scent before and I love that, but this original I really do enjoy. So this is something that I will hold on to. And you know, speaking of summer, I may throw it in my beach bag because it's a good size. I've got a couple hand lotions in my purse, so this would be great to have in a beach bag. And then we have Lash Pop on that perp. Natural looking, vegan, cruelty-free synthetic fibers may be worn several times. Obviously you do need lash glue. Let's see. So there they are. Those are some full looking lashes. Now I will probably set these to the side for a future giveaway because I'm terrified of lashes. I do want to try to start using them. But this set in particular does intimidate me a little bit because like I said, they're just rather full looking. Like, I feel like that's like next level. Like you need to know what you're doing. And that's not where I'm at. So All right, and then we got a BioFresh mask with real calming herbs, formulated without 6 major parabens, sorbic acid, benzyl alcohol, propylene glycol, BHT, benzoic acid, salicylic acid, dermatologically tested. BioFresh mask with real calming herbs. A wash-off mask made with natural herbs that soothes, calms, and hydrates skin. Contains calendula and chamomile, which help gently exfoliate and stimulate circulation. So there is that. Probably get, I'd say, 2 uses out of this. I'll probably set this to the side for a future giveaway because I don't really do, I'm a sheet mask girl for the most part. So, and then we got, this is a clear quartz facial roller, and this is from Teeny. Oh, this feels nice. Oh, it says the Master Healer. Can you guys see that? The Master Healer. This feels nice. Now, I have a rose quartz and I have a jade roller, but I don't have a clear quartz. Don't know if they really do anything different, but I'll be happy to add it to my collection. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that feels so nice. All right, so I'm very excited about this. And I have actually gotten to where I am really enjoying Teeny skincare. They're known for their teas, obviously, but their skincare is on point. I have to give them that. I really, really am enjoying any skincare product I've gotten from Teeny. All right, so we have one more item here, and this is from Busy Beauty. This is Instant Glow Face Wipes. This is Cucumber Mint. Get fresh fast. And again, like I said, there's 6 of them in there. Gently wipe across face, remove dirt, oil, and odor, safe for all areas and skin types. It's got aloe to moisturize and hydrate, chamomile to reduce inflammation, oat to gently soothe, and cucumber to tighten and smooth. All right, so this is not going to be like a makeup remover. This is going to just kind of be like a refreshing wipe. The cucumber mint to me also definitely sounds very refreshing. I mean, it probably would take off your makeup, but it does say dirt, oil, and odor. So it does not say anything about makeup, but this, again, this to me, quite a few of these, which is kind of weird for it to be a Galentine day box. So like February 13th. Quite a few of these products to me kind of scream summer, like the scrunchies, which I mean, I realize you can use those year round, but to me personally, I kind of think of ponytails and stuff during the summer. The Hemp's lotion to me, like I said, I'm probably gonna put in my beach bag. And then these are, again, are something that I would definitely see in the summer, you know, doing something and you just need to like refresh your face, wipe off some sweat. And you could grab one of these. Like I said, there are 6 of them individually wrapped in here. So you can throw one in your purse, throw one in your beach bag, and just kind of have them when you need them. So I like things like this. So I'm excited that this was included. So again, we had the Busy Beauty Instant Glow Face Wipes, again in Cucumber Mint. The deluxe sample of the Hemp's Original Lotion. We had the BioFresh with Real Calming Herbs Face Mask. The Teeny, the Master Healer, Clear Quartz Roller, Facial Roller. The Lash Pop Lashes on that perp. And again, like I said, these are like some va-va-voom lashes. And then we have our 2 scrunchies, which, like I said, do stretch out quite a bit. So according to the package, they can be used as a headband. So yeah, that's what we got in the Ipsy Galentine's Day limited edition box. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did you pick this up? Like I said, it was only like $16. The only thing that was a little like is they did advertise that it was also coming with a palette, and then literally yesterday, the day before it was delivered, I got an email that hey, that was a mistake on our part. There is no palettes. So still, I think for 16, it's good. I'm happy with the products. So let me know your thoughts down below. And like I said, if you did end up picking up one, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.